Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video I'm going to be making this skeleton centerpiece to put on the table. I actually didn't buy anything for this. This is all stuff I kind of had. This coffin thing I had, actually cookie cutters came in it, and I thought, well, this is something I can use for some kind of Halloween decoration, so I went ahead and saved it. I might have gotten that last year. And then I had these like little succulent things, and then I have some rocks. And this skeleton, I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, I think maybe last year. And the leg fell off of it. So I thought, well, what can I do with this? So I just went ahead and broke it apart. And I'm going to use it in a different way, because I was trying to think of ways that I could just reuse things, and I came up with this idea. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these rocks down in the bottom of this, and then I'm going to do like a scene on top. And I have like no real plan with the rocks. I'm just going to kind of glue them randomly in there, so because I just kind of have a whole lot of just different kinds of rocks, so I'm just kind of seeing what shapes and what rocks fit the best in here. So that's what I'm just kind of going with it. Some of these ones I moved around and they're not staying on there. I think I might go ahead and go around the edges first. It'd be easier to do it that way. Oops, ow. Now I can kind of start filling in the gaps. Like I said, I'm really just doing this kind of random, so there really isn't a method to what I'm doing. Just sticking rocks where they fit. Okay, so there's the finished rock part. Now I'm going to glue this stuff on there. And now I'm just going to kind of go in and kind of add more rocks to it. Anyway, I added a little bit more rocks to it, but here's the finished product. I love this idea. It was kind of hard to do, like, to kind of sort the rocks and stuff, but it worked out pretty good. Like I said, this was absolutely free for me this year. I bought this stuff last year, but it was just things I had. Most of them was broken. Like the skeleton was broken, and these succulents are broken too, so I just kind of glued them back together, and then I just broke this one up more to kind of make a scattered scene. So I hope you like this idea and got some ideas of your own, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.